All right, good morning. Good morning. The morning after the hurricane. Stepping out to give a full inventory what happened to we yard. So standing in the backyard, first looking up, see the coconut tree lopsided. The wind really give it a good twist and turn. See that? But it's still there, huh? Tell you these trees, you have to respect them. They endure so much and then they still stand up strong. I did not ask for nobody to look upon them and praise them. Them still today. After the hurricane, June plum tree still looking good. So of course the branches and the leaves got blown off. The banana trees are still here. One fall down. Lots of June plum on the ground. One banana tree down. Hey, look on breadfruit. That breadfruit look like you're ready. Oh, this breadfruit also look like you're ready. Look at this. So some harvesting. Yeah, so this banana tree went down with a banana on it. Let's see what can be done, if anything, with it. Maybe we just have to leave it like that. Or maybe we can rescue it. So we have one breadfruit. We have another breadfruit here. So the carrots. A piece of the ackee branch went down over here. This ackee tree. See that? Still lots of young ackee on the tree, which is pretty good. Oh wow, the breadfruit tree looked like he went through something too. Look at that. I can't tell. Yeah, it looked like a branch came down somewhere. Or, I don't know. Or it just got twisted up. A neighbor's breadfruit tree also twist up. The Africa storm. Rooster still a crow. Make it true. We all glad. I have to note that the rooftop of the little hut made it too. I'm glad for that. Trust me, if we didn't put those blocks down, it would have certainly be gone because those winds were strong. Go pick up more breadfruit. All right, so 4 breadfruit. Get 4 breadfruit. Good one for roast later. So the pots are still here. They didn't blow away after all. That little papaya tree blew down. Like a bit to see if we can straighten it up. Pepper tree still make it. Can you imagine? After I was thinking that maybe I should have put it away because I was scared that the peppers will, the baby peppers would blow off. But they're still here. Still here. Still here. Even the bucket on here is still here. I was thinking that this should have been put away. This is the yard. Neighbors having fun over there. So this area kind of wash out a little bit. So you remember yesterday was lots of water in the trenches. And this is what it looks like this morning. It can blowed over a little bit. We have to see about that. Maybe we can stand it back up. Front yard look pretty alright. Front yard look alright. So I'm going to take a little trip over Miss Mary a little bit. In a little bit to see how she is. But for now, we are here, still here. Coconut tree over there set up down. So I'll document that a little bit. Coconut tree drop down over this one. Here was a miracle. It was so good that they dug out this area because the water was flowing, flowing, flowing. And you can see, brought down a lot of sandy soil. All the road people clean up. And that's Miss Joy. Clean up on our wall. I don't know that neighbor, but here we are in the neighborhood. Still here. People cleaning up. We're not cleaning up right now, we're cleaning up later. After the storm. This coconut tree made it. I thought it was, at least the neighbor was fearful that it may come down. Look at this banana tree. The leaf them mash up. The wind tear it up, split it up, mince it up. The neighbor is cleaning up, talking, moving about. So the coconut tree down. And coming this goat. Tail goat. Morning. The goat they make it, eh? Eh, me alright, mommy. You survive it, eh? The goat they make it too, eh?
Yeah, man.
Now go bush as usual.
Yeah, I think it was that. Yeah, take care, yeah?
Yes, you too.
Something,
There's some video, and yes.
Oh, mommy.
Yeah, mommy alright, you know.
You know,
She misses Storm. She misses Storm.
yeah. And then she got you tell her Taki say, yeah.
Taki?
Taki.
Alright.
You can remember Taki?
Taki.
This level.
Eh?
This.
Going around Miss Mary yard. You can see all the way up into the hills. And breadfruit tree coming down here, so. Miss Mary! Really? Look at me. Oh my God. Miss Mary! Okay, the dog will come in. So I'm gonna back out. So in the Miss Mary yard. It looks like business as usual. You can see Miss Mary put on tarpaulin on her front veranda. Face storm. Good morning! Good morning, puppy. Good morning! We can look for you in my water boat. Everything alright, eh?
So far.
Oh my God.
Little water coming at me through the window. And I need to go to the window soapy. Because with a beat on the window. But you suck it up. I use my fingers.
Okay. Say hi. We make it. We make it.
It walks.
We were high. Yes, it's true. Is that normal?
Hmm?
Is it normal that the breeze walks so high? Like when it blows, it blows so high?
Yeah,
Not low?
Yeah. Because it wasn't very bad. If it was very bad, it would sweep low and high.
Yes, we never get the eye of the storm.
No.
We got the outskirts of it. So maybe that's why. Me pick up some breadfruit on my yard too.
Yeah, hold that and pick up there.
Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Harvest time. Breadfruit. Oh my God. No, I'm asleep. I wake up, sleep and wake up. Every time I feel the storm, I call me if I can look. I'm going to go look. And then we go back, go lay down and drip off asleep. And then we come back and drip off asleep.
So some other things in there, but we never put no sugar. And we never put no meat. So you know one thing, just go lay down.
I'm very stubborn though, you know?
Yes.
He's very stubborn.
One next one, let me tell you all the while, he make use of it.
You want out the same come greet me. I even want to lick my finger.
So you might get there.
Me say, oh my
He
God.
make use of it.
Me say, in my bad one and not come greet me. Like me a friend. And the puppy here was supposed to, at least me say, he's supposed to be friendlier to me. And want to come back after me.
I want to look back after people and everybody in back after.
Okay. Okay, so we survived, Miss Mary, we survived.
Yes, thank the Lord.
Yes. Yes, even your structures are surviving.
Hmm?
Even your structure survived.
That coconut tree out there gone up that here. Boy, I pray. I sit here. We just out all it is out there.
Oh yeah, sit there. Yes.
I said,
You watch it like this,
I
eh?
watch it like this and like that and like that and like that. And I pray and I say, God, don't make it come in my house, please. Because if it pop off where the breeze blow it,
Mm-hmm.
it might fling it on the house.
Mm.
The other houses, them are there, look away from it, but my one not right, not the high. So I pray, I said, do Lord, don't make it pop off and come on my house. Or on the line, power them.
Well, the morning after the storm, yes, the sun will come out. I try to make its way out. The chicken, I make it. They know how to survive the storm. And the dog, they make it with the miracle coconut tree. Everybody I watch a dance in a storm. Still
It
there.
need to come down because it might create a big damage when if it come down, probably that create a big damage. And what to say?
Still in a hurricane season here.
Yeah.
We never come over here with it.
Very good. Me there. Me take a little walk around the sunset right there. So we see some ackee tree limb come down. Oh my god, a big old piece that, Remy. Oh my god. And banana. You go plant this again? Oh, banana shoot pan it, eh? Oh, I see me have one drop down to with a little young banana pan it. Wow. But your coconut tree still a stand up. Yes, we survive, eh? We survive to talk about it. Yes. Oh, some of your star apple branch come down too, eh? Huh? Yes. You blew down the pear tree? Oh. Well, up here. I said, oh yeah. Yes, but at least we have life we can see it walking. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, we sold the boat. Yes. Yes, yes, me tell her. All right, Remy. Clean up time, clean up time. Tree go down. Or food tree go down. Man, let's clean up. George has been a good sport. We're gonna have a little adventure down to the river. Let's look for a river.
Coconut water and rum.
Mm-hmm.
Better than the Magnum.
Oh God. So this is my cousin. I love him as he is. When I try to make him into anything else. You even never get a cassava. Look on the cow. I win in a buck. In a bucky dirt. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. He's frightening me. And me frightening him. Lord goodness. Come on, George. Down a different. Oh, maybe a different part we come then. Yeah. You step in the water this stuff? Sorry, George. Another road that we used to take then. How we come here, sir? What? Look for river. Okay, this is the road now. George, I just say we used to come. Look on the sun. Lord God, they can't combine it. No. So this is our beautiful river. Oh my God, yes, it was higher. So you can see the water was very high up here. Mm-hmm. Dry out, eh? Wow, look at this. Yes, when they come down here. Right, yes, sir? You used to have water. You can tell that water was here. Oh, wow. Yes, it's true. You can tell the water was higher than where we are right now. So the water is coming down.
You don't feel water in the banana tree?
Yes,
You think I
across.
breeze that water?
No, no, water
sand them
damage.
over there, sorry.
So across here you can see the banana.
Over there, sorry, whole over there, so where you see
See the water was
brush
so
down
high.
water do me.
Yes.
That the water, you saw all the water was above them trees there.
Yeah. So that's how much
Right,
water was running through here.
Yeah, so that extra deep. Yes, it is.
It'll be taller than we because
yeah,
if
yeah,
water,
right there, so.
it'll be taller than we because if water was up by the bank and behind you,
You know how much man you're so deep like wow.
if water
How
was
that
here,
water in the corner there?
it would be covered up. George would be covered up right now.
Somebody got me on the funny side. No, I'm not.
You gonna say good, George? Yeah, run this we day, right?
See the road there where we used to walk from there?
Which part?
See that?
Oh, okay, okay. So we go way over there. Can you see?
A long time. Nobody not going there that we not living out there.
Calabash. Use it to make bowl, bag, whatever. Purses. That's what I mean by bag. That's what I mean by bag. Okay. Clothes. Clothes, what do you mean? How do you use mix? Okay. We got to go out down to the river and back. Tired, hot, and thirsty. There's George. Hello. George, how you faring? How you faring? How you doing?
To be honest.
Oh my god. How do we bring you back? What to bring you back?
Well, a nice big bottle of ice water. Good, nice, a start. A plane ticket too. Yeah, that's what I mean. Come back. Good.
Oh, George, I was sneaking some things in, eh? He answered them.